Let me show you how to find semantic keywords using Semrush. So let's just say you are inside the Semrush and go to the keyword magic tool under the SEO setting. And once you go there, you search a keyword. Now here, example, I have searched Solana and we have got a bunch of keywords right here. So let me just remove the filters and we have got the total keywords, which is a 131,000 keywords. So let me just find out. So let me just put the keyword difficulty from low to high and volume. So let's just be, I'll pick a high volume, low keyword difficulty keyword. And if I see which one has the highest volume, so let me just go to the next page. And so we have got one particular keyword, which is 720 search volume and 4 keyword difficulty, which is Solana, Sierra. Okay, want to go with this. All right. No, this is not the keyword. This is also not the keyword. So let me just put the volume to high, high to low. Okay, we have got the 200k volumes, also a price. So let me just click on it. And if I click on it, it's just going to take me to another keyword overview page where it details out every single thing. So now you can see keyword difficulty, but for this video purpose, I'm showing you. So you should always go with the keyword difficulty, which is low, easy to medium. Now, if I scroll down, you will see some keyword variations and questions and keyword strategies. Now, keyword variations are the semantic keywords. Now, questions, you can use it as a headings or long tail keywords. It's your wish. But yeah, if this is how you find the semantic keywords. Also, I want to let you know another strategy is go to the higher ranking blog article pages and copy all the content, ask it to ChatGPT to find the semantic keywords in the, the article which you pasted inside the ChatGPT. It will find the semantic keywords for you. Good luck.